Kilala niyo ba si Juju Mao? Isa siya sa pinakamagaling na food content creators ngayon. And apparently, Juju Mao's love for food runs in the family. Juju Mao, real name Juri Mao, is the son of the owners of this new business in Marikina that sells the sticky rice delicacy called Putli Mandi. Did I say that right? It's considered among the Tausug as prinsesa ng kakanin. So the place called Bingbing Cat Kitchen began all the way in 2019, but the physical store just launched recently in October. It was founded by renowned Tausug sculptor Juan Sahid Imao and wife Shelo, whose meet cute started with Shelo interviewing Juan for a magazine article back in the 90s. And the rest, as they say, is something you can read on our website. Shelo loved Tausug food introduced to him by Juan, but it was the sticky rice treat Putli Mandi, derived from Putli meaning princess and Mandi meaning bathing or showering, that well, stuck to her. A treat that has a coconut filling called Hinti. Our lifestyle reporter Steph Arnaldo writes, the couple, who are both in their 50s, had always dreamed of bringing the underrated Tausug cuisine to a wider audience for over a decade, but life, work, and family got in the way. But in late 2019, the Imaos decided it was time to build their own monument. Art also very much runs in the family, as Juan's dad is the first Bangsamoro national artist, Abdul Mari Imao. Quite the family.